dead.
All right, guys, as you can see, we ended up dropping this big old male. He was out there with his female. We got it on the NightRide here. As we pulled in the gate, we were just scanning through the field, identified both these dogs there. He was on her pretty tight, and then I thought, instead of calling at these coyotes, we just walk up on them and shoot them. We got the Omega suppressed Bagar 6.5 Creedmoor there, ATN Thor 4 on the top, and I do want to touch a little bit on this item right here, and this is that thermal scanner from NightRide. Awesome product there. You're able to plug that thing in, just a regular either an outlet jack or a regular cigarette lighter, and that thing works out great, as you guys can see in the footage there. But we're glad to continue to take these dogs out here. He's a big old mature coyote there, and we definitely enjoy hunting these animals as much as we possibly can. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, hopefully you guys are getting out there in nature, and best luck on your upcoming hunt.